How to clear browsing data on Opera Mini easily. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data easy and fast. So first thing, go to Opera Mini. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go down here and click on this little option. Click here and click here. Now scroll down until you find clear browsing data. Click on clear browsing data, and now you can clear your browsing data from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.